All right. Today we are doing our peg skirts measurement on our paper. We are drafting it on our paper. So let's see how we do that. What are we needing for this? We're going to be needing our waist measurement. My waist is 30 divided by 4 is 7.5. My hip is 42 divided by 4 equals to 10.5. My waist to hip is 9 and my skirt length is 24. I'll use 20. Let's say 20 so I don't have to draw too long. All right, so today's own, I'll be adding that to it. So please, I just want you to pay attention. What are you going to be needing for this? You're going to be needing your tape rule, your pencil, your eraser, and your ruler. You can get a pattern master. Or if you don't have that, this will go for it. All right, please, let's watch and see. We are going to be moving down from our paper by 1 inch. 1 inch measurement. So this is it. 1 inch down from your fabric or your paper. Then by the side, this is what we call the side seam. In case you're adding your zip, this is the zipper side. You're going to be putting your 1 inch also. 1 inch to your desired skirt length. 1 inch. Don't forget it's a pencil skirt. So let's connect this together. Let's connect together also. All right. Good evening, ma'am. So what's the skirt length? As my skirt length, remember I said it's going to be 20. You see, I still have to draw the paper so you see it very well. It's 20. I'm going to show you when I'm done with it. Okay, this is it. 20. This is where my 20 is gonna get to. Skirt length 20. Hope you've seen it. Yeah, this is 20. Let me measure it so you can see it very well because I want you to understand very well every bit. 20. My skirt length is 20. So my waist to hip, what is my waist to hip? My waist to hip, remember this is our waist, skirt waist. This is your skirt waist. In case you are using your fabric, this is your skirt waist. When you come down by one, just put the A there so you don't make a mistake. Then from your skirt waist, you take your 9 inches waist to hip. I don't know, yours could be 10, but mine is 9 inches. Remember, your waist to hip is from your waist then to the largest part of your hip. That's your waist to hip. Then, what is my waist measurement? I'm going to be putting my waist measurement on this side of the fabric, the upper side of the fabric. This is the waistline. Let's name it the waistline. Waistline, so you remember. Waistline. Okay, then here we are going to name it the hip line. The hip line. Okay, so from this place, I'm going to be taking my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 30 divided by 4, which is 7.5. This 7.5, I'm going to be adding plus 1 inch for my dart measurement. And that 1 + 1 inch will give me 8.5. 7.5 plus 1 inch will give me 8.5. Then I'll come to my waist to hip line. This is 9. I'm just trying to roll it so I can get a line there for my hip measurement. Okay, roll. Then I'll come to my hip line, waist to hip. Then from there, I take my hip measurement. My round hip measurement is 42 divided by 4, which is 10.5. Plus 1 is going to be 11.5. 11.5. Okay, so I'll connect these two together. I'm not done. This same measurement I did here, I'm going to put it at my hemline. My hemline. This is my hemline. This 20 over here. The 20 over here is my hemline. So I'm going to put my hip measurements. What's my hip measurement that time? That's hip measurement was, I'm coming. Let me just give it 20, right? 20 was the length. So I'm going to mark it. So draw a line so you don't make a mistake. What's my hip measurements? What did I get here as my hip measurement? Round hip. I got 11.5. And how did I get it? My hip measurement, round hip measurement is 42 divided by 4 equals to 10.5 plus 1 inch, which is 11.5. So this 11.5, now I'm bringing it down here. I'm bringing the 11.5 down to my hem line. Hem line. So I have 11.5. I'm going to connect it together. But before I connect it, I'm going to move in. Remember, it's a pencil skirt. So I'm going to move in by 1.5 to give it this shape, this shady kind of, swags. I'm going to bring it in by 1.5. That makes it a pencil skirt, or we call it a peg skirt also. So I'll connect it. Did you see how the shape is? Yeah, that's the fitted skirt we are talking about. This is my skirt. Then we are not done because of the darts. Remember, we added darts, 1 inch for darts legs. So that's that leg. We are going to be inputting the dart legs now. What do we do? Is very easy. Just get the midpoint of this 8.5. That's your waist measurement plus 1 inch. What's the midpoint? The midpoint is this. And I will mark. Then I'm going to be sharing that 1 inch. The 1 inch I added to the waist measurement, I'm going to be sharing it into, divided by 2. I'm going to be sharing it half, 1 inch divided by 2, which will give me half. That's 0.5, 0.5. So I'm going to be, from the middle leg, I'm going to be bringing down the legs 3.5 and 5. 5 is for the back, 3.5 is for the front. So I'll connect the dart legs. It's as simple as that. There's no big deal in it. It's very, very easy. When you wear your skirt, you just be smiling with yourself that I've done a wonderful thing. So don't forget to add your allowance. Where do you add your allowance? Here. You can add 1 inch. Some people work with half inch. Some work with 1 inch. You mark it all the way down. That's your skirt allowance. That's your space allowance for your skirt. I beg you, just use 1 inch. So you don't find it difficult while wearing it. So 1 inch all the way down. Then at your hemming point, your hemming legs here, you put half inch, up to you put half inch for your sewing allowance. All right, thanks so much. Please and please, I just hope this is self-explanatory. If it is not, comment, share and like. But please remind me, if you know it's not easy for you to get, don't fail to tell me in the comment section. I'll be able to go through it again and make it more simpler for you. Please. Thanks so much. I love you all.